Hey, it's Mr. D back again for a quick lesson on how to set up the flute. What you're going to do is grab your flute right now, and you're going to put it on a flat surface with the handle facing you, and you're going to want to open the latches so that they go up. Sometimes they go off to the side, or some sort of combination here, but basically you want to open the lid up, and you want to make sure that the flute is on the same side as the table. You have three parts here, and I want to go over them with you. This is the head joint. This is the foot, and the big piece is called the body. So we have the head joint, the body, and this is the foot. Okay? So the first thing I want you to do is to take out the foot and make it so that the teardrop shaped key is going up. Okay? And you're going to wrap your hand around it firmly. Not squeeze it tight, but firmly. Next, you're going to grab the, with the other hand, you're going to grab the larger piece right here. It's the body of the flute. And you're going to notice that there's one end that looks like this, right here, and one end that looks like this. You want to match up this end, the rough end, with the foot that you're holding in the other hand. Okay? So you're going to hold both pieces like this, do what I'm doing, with the rough end going up and the teardrop shape on the foot going up. And you're going to gently twist them together. Okay? Now once you've done that, I want you to orient or move the foot so that this rod right here, you're going to turn it towards you or away from you, is lined up with the last key of the body. So sometimes you put the flute on like this. You want to line up that rod so that it's lined up with the round key. Everyone see that? So you can twist them together and go like that. All right? Right here, you need to line those up. All right, now put your hand, other hand on the top of the flute where these bands are, and I want you to grab the head joint, and I want you to put the rough end or the open end facing up. So you're holding your flute like this. Okay? Now, you're going to also gently twist those parts together so that they're completely together, and you're going to rotate what we call the lip plate or the flute opening here so that it's even with all of the round keys here. Okay, let me see if I can show that to you. Here's the flute opening, and it's even with all of the round keys. A lot of kids put it on like this, and that's only a couple. That's like backwards. It's not exactly correct. Okay, so you want to rotate it around so that the finished product looks like this. You get the flute head opening, the head joint opening is lined up with all of these keys here, and the rod of the foot is lined up with the last key. All right? So here's what your finished product looks like. I'll just hold it off to the side. Okay, in my next couple of videos, I'll show you how to make some basic sounds on the flute and how to hold it. Okay? So just keep in mind you don't want to force any of the parts together. You want to keep them, twist them together gently. And when you take it apart, you're going to take it apart in reverse of what we did. So you take the head joint apart by twisting your hands close together, and then flip the flute over, hands close together, and pull the foot and the body apart. All right? If you have any questions, you can go on to our website at www.onlinebandteacher.com, and I'll talk to you soon.